Oh, this is it. Good morning. Ayan naman si Mudra guys. Ang makulit na nanay for today's video. Ito, magluluto tayo ng almusal. Hanggang tanghalian, hapunan na ito guys. No? Magluluto lang naman ako ng ginataang, ano tawag dito? Alimasag. Wala? Alimasag for today's video guys. Ayan. Ayan ang ating alimasag. Lalagyan ko siya ng gulay. So, may kalabasa, may sitaw, may talong guys. At gataan natin to siya guys. No? So, gataan natin siya ang ating alimasa guys. Dahil natatakam tayong kumain ng alimasag. So, for today's video, no? Maghiwa tayo ng lamas. For today's video, lamas ba guys, no? Mga ricado, everyone. For today's video, dito muna tayo sa ricado. So, yan. Hiwa tayo ng bawang. Bago natin siya balatan, no? So, yan. Bawang naman. Kasi sibuyas naman tayo guys. No? For today's video. Hiwa-hiwa ng bawang. So, ayan. Gata guys. Magano tayo ng gata. So, igaan muna natin yung gata. Lagay na natin yung
Sa third hour ko na eh.
Malamang. Ay,
konti na lang naman. 163. Third hour ko na. Hindi masyado maganda ang hagis. Pag alis ng anak ko, ay Diyos ko, natulog ako ulit.
Guys, mas masarap maraming kalabasa. Panamis-namis. Diba? Tara, pag maraming kalabasa. So yan guys, tapos natin hiniwa. Lagyan na natin doon saan. Tingnan natin yung ating pinakulo. Sabit lang guys. Ayan. Wala na tayo. Wala taong bata. Dahil, nalagay na natin yung gulay. Guys, kasi is video. Lagay natin yung pangalawang gata na guys, no? Pangalawang gata. Pangalawang series video. Alam ko, magagaling tayo magluto dito guys. Kasi simple lang. Simpleng recipe. Ay! Wala na, wala yung ating ilaw. Simpleng gulay. Diba? So, masarap na ito pagka magluto na siya. So, dahil lagay tayo ng asin. Guys, hindi kung ano ako ay nilagyan ko yung food. At yung ating pagkagamit din ako dito guys, bitsin. Saka, kunting, alam mo na, yung ating magic, di ba? Kunting ganyan lang guys. Tapos, alam mo mas masarap, at kunting mo ng asukal. Kunting asukal lang. Hindi mo maghalo yung lasa ng tamis ng kalabasa. Kunting lang guys, lang kasi ako pag nagluto.
Papatulog lang kayo konti.
No? So, ayan. Itabayan natin, pakita ko muna.
I was on the island waiting for you, babe. Saw you when you gone, I was crying all my tears. Told myself that you are the one.
Ayan, masarap. May suwa. Habang hinihintay kong maluto yung ating gulay sa mga bata, guys.
Don't go away. Just tell me where it hurts. Don't tell me that I love you with a love so tender. Oh, and if you fuck, baby, you're just like you. There's so many things that I can do. Why don't you tell me where it hurts, now, baby? If I do my best to make you better, yes, I'll do my best to make those tears don't go away. Just tell me where it hurts. Don't tell me that I love you with a love so tender. Oh, and if you let me stay, I'll love you right away. Into your heart, it's breaking all the pieces, making you mad, making you feel blue. Is there anything that I can make? Just tell me where it hurts, don't tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. Oh, when you make me stay, I love you.
Kita. For today's video.
So friends, the faces, talk about the places they've been. sweethearts who felt the vibe somewhere along. Holidays in love, someday.
Isa guys, nawala.
Maybe this time it'll be love and a fight. Maybe now it can be more than just friends. She's looking his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love. It's feeling. It's the one that way back when we were too young to know when love's real. But somehow some things never change, and even time has evolved the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before.
Isa guys.
But another change, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love without fight. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love,
Okay, luto na guys ang ating pawis na yung kusinera. No? Luto na yung ating pawis na yung ating kusinera. So ayan guys, for the pawis ng phase 1, luto na yung ating stainless na ulam ng mga bata for today's video. No? Ayan, mura tayo. So bye everyone, yun lang yung ating recipe for today's video. God bless and thank you for watching. Na tayo guys, kain tayo guys for today's video yung aming lamisa. Alam niyo, dito may lamisa kami, pero gusto ng asawa ko doon kumain. No? So kaya, ayan, magsandok lang tayo dito guys, pinobre ba ang mga kaldero nasa lamisa. Masarap talaga guys ang kinasanayan nating mga pangkaugalian ba, mga kaldero sa lamisa guys. Yan, magsandok na lang ta, kay doon daw sa labas tayo kakain guys. So ayan, sandok ta guys, kain ta na. Ay makakain talaga tayo dito ngayon ng kanin na madami sa ating ulam na. Wow! Ang ating ulam guys. Sarap for this video. Kain tayo guys. Yan. Mas maraming gulay, mas masarap. Yan. For today. Yan. Kadamo ba? Kadamo talaga. Yo, pinubrihay lang guys ang ating ulam for this video guys. Ang sarap sa sabaw. Ayan, mga una. Ayan ang ako, pakakaunon ba? Na. So, di talaga kami kakain doon sa lamisa, guys. Kaya dito talaga kami. Kaya ma-presko dito ba? Magtanong-tanong sa labas. Ang lamisa, way tao. Oh, guys. So, ayan lang, guys. Thank you for watching.
Mataba.
Ano daw?
Mataba.
Oh, mataba naman. Sabi mo, maniwang.
Mataba.
Mataba yan, guys. Yan.
Mataba.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Sa aming lamisa. Thank you. Ano, sarap kumain pagka ganito ba, no? Or naminis namin ng ganitong pagkain kami galing sa probinsya pa ba? Sarap. Diyan. Anta.
Dalawang loaves.
Nakakatakam. Nakakatakam, guys. Nakakatakam, guys. Diba? Mga ganito ba? Ganito. Ayan. Diba? Kagana. Sarap. Magsasalak lang.
Talagang hindi pa